Hello, beautiful souls. How are you? This entire reading is gonna be in English because many of my friends, subscribers, you have told me, ki, ma'am, why don't you make readings in English? So I'm trying my best to give you my best services, friends. I hope you enjoy. So it will take time to make myself fluent in front of camera and but still your blessings are together with me, your love is together. So we all are growing, okay? We all are growing, we all need love, we all need support. So friends, thank you so much. Welcome to my channel. I'm your astrologer, Reiki healer, tarot card reader, cartomancy reader, Sangeeta Kalita, and I have a reading for you. The content of the reading is it's for the earth sign, and we will see what is love August, what is there in love for you people, Taurus, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo earth signs. Okay, so what is there in love for you in August, we will see that. And yes, a quick announcement, friends, do DM me in my Insta. You can connect me in my WhatsApp for your private readings. Do check out how you fill my private readings, okay friends? And these are very affordable price. All the description have been given in my description box, and I'm giving a Reiki giveaway, healing that you think that you should get in any areas of your life, but it's for people who are in 11 years to 20 years old, okay? And one card pool that is also completely free from 11 to 20 years people. Next I will be going from 21 to 30, okay? So this is till August 15. So friends, grab this opportunity, let me help you. We all are here to help each other, to help each other grow. So friends, let's do that, okay? So DM me in my Insta, follow my Insta, okay? And just go and see my manifestation video, friends. I'm sure this video gonna make change in your life. So do go and watch my manifestation video. I will give the link here, okay? I will just attach the link there, down below this video. So let's start your reading. I will start with Capricorns, okay? Most of my viewers and subscribers are earth signs, so I thought of uploading this bonus reading in love, okay? Capricorns, let's see what is there for you. Hello Capricorns, how are you people doing? Wait, let me channel, okay? I need you so bad. Somebody is telling I need you so bad. But I really don't know how to tell you this, and this is very inner feeling. I never told you these things, and I am in a situation where I am not able to come towards you. Kindly understand me and give me some time. Okay, let's see. Let's see, Capricorn. What is there in love? Too many cards. Actually, I wanna go step by step, okay? Universe, what is in love for my Capricorns? August love story. Let's be positive, okay? Let's be positive. Let's be positive. Let's be positive. There is a light in darkness. There is a light in darkness. Love always wins. Love will find its way. That's a message from universe. Love will find its way. Love will find its way. Because when divine plans for you, there is no one other, nobody else to interrupt in that plan, because love will find its way. Just see this. Just see this. The soulmate card. We are talking about love. This person is somebody who is very connected to your soul. This person is very connected to your soul. I will take this card. Page of Swords. I will even take this card, and I will even take this card because I have a message here, and I don't know, I need to take this card because this is Ace of Cups. This four cards I'm gonna take, and this cannot be a consequence, this cannot be a coincidence, friends, that this four card exactly came along with the sense of the reading. Okay, I have to take them. So again, I have this Eight of Wands in the back of this. Here is a story. Okay, here is a story I'm gonna tell you. This person is actually in a they have messed up their life. Your person, friends, they have messed up their life, and they took some kind of decisions. They went to certain decision or certain point of life where they actually have done everything, masked in their life, and now they are seeking light in darkness. They seek for light in the darkness, and that light is my viewers. Your person is seeking lightness and I think my viewers have turned their face because this person left you at that point when you needed them the most. Okay, now my viewers has turned into this Empress energy because my viewers have done their job as a hangman. Hangman here speaks because I have a world card too here. So hangman is a person who is spiritually awakened. So my viewers have done their job and they have awakened themselves, and now they are on their throne and they are the queen or the king in the story. And your person is not feeling good because after they messed up the entire situation, they came to know that you are their ultimate love, because love can never be matured. Because love can never be matured. A person who is matured, extremely matured, they cannot love. For loving someone, you have to have this nostalgic, that childhood, that inner child within you, and somewhere or the other where your person's inner child have been hurt. Okay, your person inner child is not healed, and my viewers have made them realize that you need to do this work. You triggered them that they need to do this work, and believe me, your person is ready to do their work and they are ready to come towards you. Actually, I'm sorry for that cooker city. Okay, mom is making food. So that's a story of every home. And see, they wanna come towards you, they wanna offer this cup, they want to be like, they wanna achieve you, they wanna conquer you, they literally, they want to be somebody that they want to say that he is mine, she is mine. They want that feeling with you, and they want to offer their cup of love to you now because you have awakened them. You have awakened them, and now they are coming with this truth. In the month of August, they are coming with this truth because we also have this communication card here, the Eight of Wands. They are coming with this truth. There is no doubt that this person is coming with truth because without you this person is nothing. There all the cups have fallen down. What I say, this person have messed up their life. Without my viewers, without my sweethearts, my Capricorns, this person have messed up their life, and they know that my Capricorns are no more taking any BS, this person, they came to know, because my Capricorn are awakened souls. My Capricorns are awakened souls. They are not dealing with any sort of BS, because my Capricorn knows how divine works, and they are not taking any BS. So now your person came to realize that whatever they were doing so long, that was actually a illusion, the life they were pretending for themselves. Believe me, your person was a very materialistic person before they met you, but after they met you, they came to literally realize what is a mirror, because you showed them that mirror. See, this is what you are. You showed them that mirror, and you actually gave them that, you triggered their inner child to grow up. And this is what your person has done. They are ready to grow up with you, and they are literally coming, because they are coming with this beginning. They want to grow. So Capricorns, that is completely your free will, that whether you are gonna take this love or you gonna make a different moment, but that's completely depend on you. Let's take 2 more cards from this deck. Let's see what their person's energy, universe. They are extremely fantasizing about you. Oh my god, 8 of Pentacles, the Justice, the 8 of Pentacles. One more card, universe. What we have, Queen of the Swords. So they wanna communicate. 8 of Pentacles and the 3 of Pentacles, this combination of cards say that they want something very, what I told you, they want to grow, they want to work in this relationship, and they want to give you this justice, because there is enough of shit, enough of illusions. They don't want any more illusions and any more fantasizing, useless fantasizes about you, because they are done with those energies of 3D world. They are done with this energy of being addictive behavior. They are done with this energy. They are no more in this energy. They just don't want this energy anymore, this illusion anymore. They want something, this solid. 8 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, and the Justice. How this, just see how divine is like shouting. Divine is pushing them in, like they can't forget about you any moment, anywhere, everywhere. They are just thinking about you. Believe me friends, I don't know, I'm not sugarcoating anything, but this is the energy, because I do reading from my psychic mediums, okay, and I channeled energy from my forefathers, and this cannot be a mist. This cannot be a mist. This person literally wants you. This person literally wants you, about whom you are inquiring, my Capricorns. This person wants you. Without you, this person is zero. They are craving for you. Okay, this is my story. Every day cards have fallen. Let me take more messages, Capricorns. Let's see what they wanna say you, okay? Universe, what they wanna say. Okay, we are done. We have too many messages. Let's see. I have responsibilities. Give me time. Let me clear, because what I said, they messed up everything, no? And I think they are in a situation of for some, I think they have a situation of third party person. Perhaps your person is married to someone, and they need to clear those karmic bonds, okay? I love playing with my hairs. I wanna hug you tight, keep you close to my heart. What I told you, they need you. I can't see you with anyone else. Of course, they love you. They are not like you. I ruined our relationship. Okay, honey, you did that. I crave for your touch. What I said, they are craving for you. I was stupid. I must things. I got this message from the first, when first I channeled. I want what I told you. They wanna work. We have three of pentacles. This is not a joke. And this, see this card. I want commitment. I am sorry. I am yours. Sorry, I am yours. I want commitment. I am yours. This cannot be a joke, friends. This cannot be a joke. Today I found this feather in, in my room. I don't know how this came, but I felt a sense of vibration in this feather, so I kept it. Yeah, this one, it one felt. I will take this. Okay. See, let's see what they like in you. Okay. The way you work, they like the way you work. Twin flames. Okay, we have some twin flames in the room. Curve, your curve. Okay, if you are a man, take as it resonates, and if you are a female, then take as it resonates. Your curve, your nature. Okay, perhaps, of course, we have the divine feminines and masculine in the room, and definitely you have to love their nature. Love you for everything. I love you for everything. You taste so good. Okay. That's juicy. You smell so good. Okay. Your private parts. That's juicy. You are sexy. Okay. Your kindness, of course. Divine feminines and masculines are kind and at the same time very sexy. So friends, let's see when they are coming. Okay, let's see when they are coming. Let's see some initials and let's see when they are coming. Okay, let's see when they are coming. Okay, I will keep this aside. Now I have a P here, I have a X here, I have a C here, I have a L. Okay, L, I have a I here, I have a Q here, M, I have a M for Manali. So I have a E here. November, for some it's November, for some it's 1 month. It is October, it can be October. 26 August, take it's very near, friends, so 26 August can be L. I have a L here. Okay, and next 1 to 2 weeks, for some people it's very soon. I have a R here, R. Fev. Okay, February, coming February. Friends, this timing is very near. Okay, so I think they can come within this period of time, or this time maybe your birth date or the time of your anniversary, your love anniversary. Just you can end the letters, your private hangout, or your favorite hangout, or your initials, or the middle name, or their surname, whatever as it's resonate with your situation, friends. This is just for making things more clear to you. Finally, it's a general reading, friends. I hope it resonate with you. If it doesn't, it's completely okay. You can go and see some other readings. I have many readings on the list and all are timeless. Okay, so you can go and see them. So do like, share and subscribe my channel and help me to grow, friends. Thank you so much for being here. Bye. Hello my Taurus, sweethearts. Let's start your reading. It's your August reading for love. Okay, let's see who is coming in. Taurus, sweethearts, how you people are doing? I hope you are enjoying your life. Somebody is coming with their truth. That's my job. That's my job. Cards flipping is my job, but I'm not taking this card because I was not ready. Okay, I think somebody wanna talk to you and bring some kind of truth. Okay, somebody wanna talk to you and bring some kind of truth. Actually, this person have been holding for many, they have been holding long to talk to you. They have been holding long. This person, have a black black watch, perhaps. They carry watch. They carry watch. It's if it is not black, it should be leather or golden. Okay, golden watch. It can be golden also. It can be brown leather or black, but they carry watch. This person, because this is very important for them, they carry watch. They carry watch. And this person have been holding long, this person have been holding long to talk to you. I have been seeing, a cycle again and again, a cycle. Something, a pattern of behavior that has been going, that in and out behavior, the pattern you both have been following, and this person is like, they are saying that I can't hold it anymore and I need to speak up. That's the energy, actually. I don't know, it's the completely their reaction, and my, I just can, I'm feeling that, that blockage in my throat chakra, and it is like, it's a blockage in my throat chakra. This person wanna, they wanna just jump into this situation. They just wanna pop in front of you and just they wanna say that, wait, I need to talk to you. That's the kind of energy I'm getting from of my Taurus person. I don't know. Okay, let's see what is the August love energy for my Taurus. Okay, I'm gonna take these cards. Okay, what is the August love energy? See what I told you, sweethearts. What I told you. Let me show you something. Actually, I thought of this person is waiting, and now they are, in our Indian language it is said कि band baja barati के साथ, they wanna, it's like that drumming that band, and they wanna come towards you because they have been holding so long. This is a victory card. In our India, it is said band baja barati. I don't know you people come to know about this language or not, but it is said that beating the drums and hosting that flag of victory. It is something like that. And the world card, world is also in our tarot deck. World is also a victory. So finally this person wanna, it's a kind of they are very positive also. This person has a quality of, that she is mine or he is mine and I owe them. They are like that. Their energy is something like that I owe them, that they are mine. That's the kind of energy of your person. Okay, let's see what is more in this love. And for some people, this is definitely, for maximum it's a past energy, and for some people there is a fresh new beginning of love. Okay, there is a fresh. What is more for my Taurus love universe? What is more for my Taurus love? I already had a sense of this. What is more? See, this person definitely had a heartbreak in past, and this is for singles. I think my single Taurians, the person who is coming and heading towards you, this person is very passionate. They wanna, get something, a very passionate beginning in love, but this person was heartbreak in the past. And for some it is also that perhaps there can be a third party situation, or your person was married to somebody else and now they no more wanna be in that cycle. They want a closure in that cycle, and they want to start something new and passionate with you. because there's a world card, and world is also a closer, you know, that cycle. Oh my god, what I told you, sweethearts, what I told you. Wait, I'm not taking this card. What fell down, I'm taking this. See, this is a death card. Just now what I told you, this cannot be a coincidence. I told you they want a closer with their third party, and because they are exhausted in that energy, they no more wanna live in that energy. They don't want to live in that energy. They want a closer here, because you know, this third party is this they are fed up of this cycle. They are fed up of that lifestyle actually, and they want something very realistic. Now, nine of cups is a dreamy, is a, when it is nine of cups, then it is a dreamy dreamy wish, matlab, it's in Hindi that you know, khwab, you know, it's a dreamy, very dreamy wish. But nine of pentacle is something, you know, very grounded, and it's something realistic. So they want something very realistic and passionate, and that is the reason. And for singles also, your person was heartbreak, and this time they want something very realistic connection, you know, which is not an illusion, which is real, which can be worked out. So that's the energy for, let's see what more in love. Okay, King of Swords, what I told you, this Nine of Pentacles and King of Swords, this person wants something very real and solid, and you know, at the same time very practical connection, you know, the connection where they can be the real person. They do not have to pretend at somebody, because usually in love people sometimes they don't be the real one, and your person is not like that. They actually want somebody who is real, who is not pretending at all, who is like the raw, who have that raw essence. At the same time, they too want to be that real, because they are fed up of this, you know, this heartbreak and this cycle of, you know, going into same pattern of relationship. Okay, let's see what is more in your love life. Okay, oh my god, Nine of Pentacles and the Ten of Pentacles. What I told you, this person actually wants marriage and a solid commitment, because they want to offer their cup of love, you know. This Four of Cups, they are tired of, you know, that illusion love. They are tired of that, you know, burdened feeling. They want victory in love, and this person is definitely coming to you. For some, if you are inquiring about your past person, then definitely your past person is coming. And for some, your, you know, this new person is heading towards you, because your old pattern of relationship have been completed. You have completed this cycle, the old patterns of your relationship, and divine is blessing you with this victory. There is no more weight in your life. See, this can be also your energy. There is no more waiting, because this person is heading towards you to have victory in love. Okay friends, let's see their messages. Okay, I was searching for my message cards. Let's see your messages. Okay friends, what your person wanna tell. Universe, give some messages. Okay, we have too many. Let's see. I will be back soon. Okay, see, this is a past person. Okay, I will be back soon. I will make everything right very soon. Okay, life without you is hell. Okay, I miss you. I need time. See, can you forgive me? I think this person did dirty to you, because there can be a third party situation for someone else, for some peoples. Okay, so they're saying that, can you forgive them? Please call me, I'm waiting. Honey, they're waiting for you. Please call them if you are willing. Okay, that's a free will. Actually, I want to take some more confirmations about this person. Let me take, I was about to use this tarot deck also. Okay, I have it. Nine of Cups. See, they are dreaming. Three of Swords. Definitely, yes, definitely for some there is a third party situation, okay? And this person's wish fulfillment is my viewers, my Taurians, okay? You are their wish fulfillment, and there is definitely a third party situation. Perhaps your person have been married somewhere else, or they have someone else behind the scene. Their for separation is so painful at the back of the deck. So for some there is a message here, okay? Because I wanted to confirm this, is there is a third party situation. Of course there is a third party situation, but your person is not happy in that situation. They are not happy. Okay, let's see. One message already fell down. Okay, one more fell down. Wait, let me take them. Sorry friends, I'm sorry for irritating you. Let's take some messages, okay? Let's see what your person like in you. Your beard, I think if you are a masculine energy, then they love your beards, okay? You are so hot. Of course. You cook awesome. I love it. I think we have some, master chefs. Friends, if you cook, then do comment me what the good things you cook, okay? Do comment me if you are a cook. You are very smart and intelligent. Okay, so you are so caring, of course. My Taurians are the most artly beautiful sign. They are caring. You are your kindness. Definitely, you are so kind. The way you work. Okay. We have some models here. It need not to be a model. I think they love the gesture when you walk, they love your gesture when you walk. So the way you walk, perhaps you have long legs. Your anger, they love your anger. Okay, that's literally sweet, huh? Somebody even loves your anger. Eyes, okay, they love your eyes. Or there can be something very related to your eyes. You are beautiful anyway. Okay, you are beautiful anyway. Twin flames. Okay, we actually this twin flame card fell down, so I think we have some twin flames here. Let's see when this person is making a move towards you or anything, their initials, and let's see. Okay friends, if I could give you more confirmation, let's see what more I can do for you. I have a E here, I have a F here, okay, we have a L here, P, I, M, D, I have a D here, okay, R here, I have a R, X, okay, we have a U here, okay, W, we have a W here, I have 1, okay. I think 1 can be your destiny number, their birth number, anything what resonates with you, okay. 1 to 2 weeks. So 1 to 2 weeks, I think they're gonna communicate with you. 1 year, 6 July. 6 July may be something very prominent for you. And May, 12 Jan, February, and December. Friends, this dates maybe take as it resonate. How far how can be this resonated in your situation, friends? Just see them, these letters and the date. Just see them. I just took out for more confirmation so that you can have some reasoning of having this reading, okay. So friends, stay tuned for your next reading, and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Bye bye. Hello my dear Virgos, how are you? I hope you people are doing great. Friends, let's see what is your August love reading, and I'm so excited. Let's see. What is there for my Virgos universe? Give me some downloads. I think somebody is taking a leap of faith. Somebody wanna come towards you. Somebody wanna talk to you. They wanna offer something to you. A very passionate energy, actually. This person is great, yaar. I love their energy. This person is awesome. You know, I'm literally feeling so happy. I'm having that love bubbles inside. Oh, okay, we have one card. Just see how it flipped up and let me show you. This strength card, okay? What I told you. somebody is somebody is in their power, and I think my viewers, Virgo, you are in power, and this person is gaining this power from your vibration, that they want to take a leap of faith, because there was a fight here. Either my viewers, you know, you try to move on from this person, or this person definitely first they left you, they did dirty to you and they left you, and I think my viewers, you then you pull back your energy, and now this person, they need you, honey. They need you bad. This person needs you bad. They need you bad. This person, they wanna just, you know, they just wanna grab you, like they wanna grab you. Okay, that's my cup. You know, people, those who are my subscribers, you know, that's my cup. Because, you know, this tower came reverse. I will take it reverse only. Okay. Oh, sorry, it's it's in English, so I will take it in reverse only. So, and next I have this Queen of Pentacles upright, this Eight of Wands upright. Let's see, one more card fell down. Sorry friends, let me take it. I'm sorry. And this Eight of Swords upright. Okay, let's see, let's go on. What is going more in love for my Virgos? Let's continue. What is going on in love, Virgos? Okay, we got it. Okay. There was a deception. This person told you lies. There was a deception. This person told you lies. They didn't told you that how important you are in their life. Wait, I have a card here. They didn't told you how important you were in their life. We have a Queen of Pentacles, we have Queen of Wands. Okay. They didn't told you. Okay, let's see. Let's go on. Universe, 2 more cards. Let's go on. Virgos, pick up. Okay, my Virgos. 3 of Pentacles at the back of the deck. Okay, that's literally nice to see. Oh, we have the masculine here, we have the 2 of Cups, we have the Fool. What I told you, sweethearts, what I told you at the beginning of the reading, this person is in their power. They need a leap of faith with you. This person never expressed that how important you are in their life. They never did that. And my viewers, my Virgos, you people are doing awesome job, because the change in your vibration has compelled this person to come towards you. You literally have done the thing in the right place, and I'm so happy for you people. You have literally done on the right place. This person is now holding this wants for you, no, they want this victory, they want to bring this communication to you. This person was so, they just, there was a big, there was a big fight, and there was a big tower moment, which is now, reverse, tower came reverse. So this everything is gonna, gonna come to an end, and they will have a decision that they need you. They will definitely have a decision that they need you, they need my viewers, because the Queen of Wands is here, the Queen of Pentacles is here. They will take a decision that they need my viewers. The communication is coming, the passionate communication is coming. Now we have a two queens here, and we have a King of Pentacles. See, we already have the couple, and this Queen of Wands was, I don't think, this Queen of Wands, maybe it can be a third party energy, it can be something very addictive behavior that your person had, but now they came to know that they need you. This person, they need you. As simple as that. They need my viewers, because we have the couple here. They want to drop down this burden, and they don't want to be anymore in this decisive energy. They don't want to be anymore in decisive energy. They don't want to tell you any more lies, because they need you so bad. Because here is a divine interruption. Here is a divine interruption. Moon is also a very divine card. Moon is the tide in the ocean. And this tide have occurred. They need to speak up. They need to speak up. They need to give you this justice. Because my viewers are not taking any more BS. No. Nope. You just told them, get off. I'm not gonna take this. And that actually worked. That actually worked. And now they're holding this passionate beginning, this communication. They are hunting for their queen. They want this. Because you are so sexy, you are so beautiful, you are so abundant. You see, in our Hinduism, we say a woman should always be like the goddess Lakshmi. In India, it is said that a woman should always be this goddess Lakshmi. And my viewers is as sexy, as beautiful as the goddess Lakshmi. So in this tarot deck, I literally view this Queen of Pentacles as goddess Lakshmi, because in our Indian tradition, Lakshmi, goddess Lakshmi, to hold this like this pot of coins of pot, and that abundance, that love, that happiness. And I literally feel, whenever I see this card in the deck, I feel that the Queen is here, the victory woman is here. She is a go-getter. And whenever I see this King of Pentacles, I love this King of Pentacles more than the Emperor, more than the Dada, because this King of Pentacles is someone who is the man in the house. Is the man in the house. I just love them. I love this couple. And there is a passionate beginning. What else I need to say, you my sweethearts? There is a beginning here. So let go all the past energies. I will see some more love energies for you. Definitely this is a past person, because I feel it's a person you have dealt with. It's a past person. I don't feel somebody a very new energy. I don't think there is a new energy. But yes, of course, if you are single, then there is a new energy for you. But if for the couples, it's a past energy. Okay, so let's see what is there for you, love, my Virgos. Let's see, universe, give me some cards for my Virgos. Let's see what is for you, my dears. Let's see. Okay, I have it. King of Pentacles. Oh my God, this cannot be a coincidence. King of Pentacles. Can you at the back of the deck? It's King of Pentacles. Okay, Three of Cups. Three of Swords. There was a heartbreak, I already told you, and there can be a third party situation too. There is a strong confirmation of third party situation here. There can be, because we have Two of Swords, because there is a decision that they need to make, and they have made the decision. They have made the decision because, oh my God, see, Four of Wands, the marriage, the ultimate marriage card, Two of Cups and Four of Wands. We have some twin flames here, the higher level soulmates and twin flames, the Nine of Cups, the wish fulfillment. The wish fulfillment in love, the marriage, the ultimate marriage partner is here. We have the Queen and King and the Queen. The King has shown up twice in this reading, sweethearts. This cannot be a coincidence. The King has shown himself twice in this room. This cannot be a coincidence. Divine is definitely planning awesome beginning for you. See this divine card. See this beautiful marriage stage. See this beautiful marriage stage. Be in your power, sweethearts. Be in your power. Definitely everything gonna be awesome for love in August. Everything gonna be awesome. Let's see what messages from your person. Okay, let's see if there are messages. I definitely am expecting some passionate messages from them. Let's see what is. Let's get some more messages, some more messages. I am feeling this person need you, so they are hungry for you. They're literally hungry. I'm sorry for those words, but I have to say, I had someone else. What I told you, they had someone else. There was, for some it's a third party situation. Please, because this reading is for, it's for a collective people. For some it is third party. It's not for everyone. I have made a mistake. They made a mistake. Okay. You smell so good. Okay. I'm addicted to you. You are my red wine. Okay, there is something linked to it, wine and addiction. They are addicted to you. I will make everything right very soon. They are gonna make everything right very soon. Okay, culture matters. Definitely, I think this person has, there can be a traditional difference between you both. I love you, my love. Okay. Can we start again? So they're asking, sweethearts, can you start again? Are you willing to start again? I am sorry, at the back of the deck. Okay, it's okay. Let's see, my viewers, what they love in your personal trait. Okay, let's see something. What they love in your personal trait. Okay, I got some juicy messages here. Oh my God, you smell so good. You smell so good. Twice. There is something related to this thing, okay? Lips are so soft. What I told you. What I told you. Physique and figure, take as it resonates. If you are a masculine watching this video, then it's for you a physique, and if you are feminine, it's a figure. Okay, your belly, what I told you, your profession. They love whatever you do for your earnings, because we have a Queen of Pentacles, and definitely she is and King of Pentacles. You both are very independent. Okay, you both are very independent, and you are a good earners. So they love your profession, your private parts. There is a strong sexual chemistry here. They wanna have you right now. I love you for everything. They love you for everything. You are beautiful anyway. Okay, you are beautiful. You are so naughty. You are so naughty. Hairs. They love your hairs. Actually, they love your hairs. Actually, they love everything about you, because Queen of Pentacles, she is an abundantly beautiful, mesmerizing woman. And if it's a male energy, then they are also, they're very groomed and, very, very groomed and beautiful. Let's see some more, Let's see. It's a J here, okay? We have a J here. We have a I here. We have a G here. G for Gujarat, okay? We have a U here. We have a F here. We have a M here. Okay. I have one. Take as it resonates. I have a 6 here. 16. Okay, 4. I have a 4 here. Y 9. Maybe this can be 49, 94, 19, 14, 1, 4, 9, 6. This dates can be, or this can be your destiny number, or anything, their name, alphabets, whatever. This take as it resonate, okay friends. Okay, we have a 10th October, 27 March. March, we have March is very very much prominently coming in this reading. 27 March, 10th October, 6th August, very soon friends. 6th August, okay. June, okay, June, see friends, coming June. So this can be the time they want to contact you, or perhaps this is a very important date in your relationship. Take as it resonates. So we have a JIGUFYM. So this can be initials of their surname or their name, or a place where you have been hang out for many times, your favorite hangout, or anything friends that resonates. Maybe your code names, your code words of your name, anything that resonate with your situation friends. Okay, so hope you like this reading. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for your next reading. So we will meet very soon. I hope you people are keeping well. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.